8 facts about virus. 1. The adjective viral was first used in 1948. 2. The plural form of the virus is viruses, not viri or virii. 3. The smallest viruses are about 20 nanometers in diameter, while the largest viruses are about 400 nanometers in diameter, which is roughly the size of the smallest bacteria. 4. If you put an average-size virus next to a flea, that's about the same as putting a human being next to a mountain that's twice the size of Mount Everest. 5. Viruses come in all sorts of shapes, and one of the most common is the icosahedron, a shape that looks like a sphere but is actually a 20-sided polygon. 6. Dutch microbiologist Martinus Beijerinck used the Latin phrase contagium vivum fluidum, which means soluble living germ, to describe viruses before he coined the term virus. 7. The English word virus comes from the Latin word virus, which means poison or snake venom. 8. The term virion is also used to refer to a single infective viral particle. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Atharva Nava. Do you want to learn your subject from the basics? For one-to-one online classes, visit our website, Atharva Nava. Never miss any exam updates about your boards. Also, avail free study material, notes, and practice papers for all the boards and entrances.